These light strips, they come in a variety of colors. The color that I have here is green. This is green. I'm going to show you what's in the package. These are the little brackets if you want to use them to fasten them after you stick, because these have a sticky tape on them. And then these are just kind of like insurance. I generally go with either Scotch tape or some Velcro, depending on where I'm sticking them. So I save these for just in case I may need them. And I have a lot of them. And this is the spool. This piece comes off and you stick this on as you're applying it. So you find your placement. I would say find the placement that you want to put everything in first. Take your time. Do not rush, because this can turn into a big mess, especially if you have this pilled, and then it could just turn into a big mess. And it's better to just find the placement and really take your time. No rush. This plugs into here. This plugs into the wall. Very simple. There's not a remote, and you just unplug it when you're done. It's one of those just plug in, unplug. Very, very simple. And I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put some of this up, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Remember, take your time. Figure out your placement first. Get it clean, and then just slowly start applying it. If you have someone that can help you, that's even better. I do them by myself, so it can be done. But if you have not put these up before and you're going up the walls, it can get frustrating. So just take your time, and if somebody can help you, that's even better.